Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Callahan Railroad Days Festival and Car Show. This is going to be our Walkabout cam where we take our camera and our selfie stick and we go around and film the cars in the car show and do some 360 degrees of some special cars that were there. This is always a great event. We always enjoy going out to it. It's always usually bigger than it was this time. Unfortunately, I think there were a lot of scheduling conflicts on this one. I know for a fact there were 6 other shows going on in the immediate area, in Jacksonville and surrounding. And it was Spring Turkey Run weekend in Daytona. So that may have drawn a lot of people that way too. Anyway, it was still a good event, still fun, still cool cars came out, just not as many. And we enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Keep these videos coming. We're going to keep going in the car show and bring them to you on the interwebs. So, I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to that car show. So let's rev it up for them hot rods.
It's a nice ride. About $1,200. Alright.
You gonna do your live feed?
Not right now.
Yeah.
I'll run down through there and get that little bit right over there, and then we can go look at it.
Alright. I'm gonna head over. You ride fast and I won't.
Alright, I'll catch you.
Alright.
through there and get that little bit right over there, and then we can go look at it.
Alright. I'm gonna head over. You ride that and I won't.
Alright, I'll catch you.
Alright.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers Callahan Railroad Days Festival and Car Show. It was a good car show for what it was and the situation it was in. I think scheduling conflicts bit it pretty hard because I know there were 6 other car shows going on in the area, and that draws away from you got to choose where you want to be because everybody wants to do it from the set hours 9 to 2 or 3, and you can't be everywhere at once. I had to pick myself. I mean, they also had to compete with Spring Turkey Run in Daytona was this weekend, so that probably bit pretty hard too because I know a lot of people were going down to that. But it was good for what it was. It actually made us have a little more elbow room to move around and feel more comfortable around the cars and not be all over top of each other. I mean, I know that's that's kind of not a good way to look at it, but hey, you win some, you lose some with these car shows these days. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're trying to grow the channel. We're trying to get to our 500 subscribers. We are at 366, so we are clawing that way every day, every day of the week. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep grinding at it, and maybe one day we'll get there. Hopefully this year. I mean, if we're lucky. Yeah, that's really all I got. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna keep going out to car shows for you. We're gonna keep bringing them to you. So we'll see you guys out at the car show wherever it may be.